easy. All I know is Tropical Storm Harvey, you are no match for our two Southwest Airlines pilots up there. On behalf of this Phoenix-based flight crew and Southwest Airlines, we'd like to finally welcome you here to San Antonio. Do us a favor, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, seat backs, tray tables, in the full upright lock position. All those carry and items stowed until we arrive at the gate. Once the captain turns off the seatbelt sign, please be careful in opening the overhead bins, especially after that descent, as shift happens and items may have shifted during flight. This is the termination of this aircraft tonight. It's staying overnight here in San Antonio with your flight attendants. We've had enough fun for one day. We're going to the hotel. At this time, make sure you have all your personal belongings with you. Please check your seat backs, the seats, make sure you have your wallets, your cell phones, all that good stuff. Because if you happen to leave something on board the aircraft, the only way to retrieve it is to go to www.ebay.com tomorrow. I don't think any of you are making a connection here in San Antonio, but if you are, double check the TV monitors for gate and flight information. It has been our absolute pleasure serving you today, and guess what? We're not that late, to be honest with you. Only 20 minutes late from our original arrival time, and we do have two of the best pilots that Southwest has to offer up there, and we're happy to get you here to San Antonio. Folks, please, there's going to be a lot of rain. Please take your time driving home if you're driving. If you see any flooded roadways, do not enter them. It's not worth it. Just turn around and go a different way, but be safe out there, and we'll see you next time soon here at Southwest Airlines. Everyone have a great night, drive safe, welcome to San Antonio.